morning, everyone. Welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I have my coffee. Matter of fact, this is the second cup I've had today. I hope you all had a great weekend. I had a pretty busy weekend. I did some crafting and I did some organizing, and I'm getting together some stuff. I'm going to have a yard sale in my church parking lot next Saturday, so I've been getting boxes of stuff together for that. And yep, so it's been a pretty busy weekend. Pretty busy weekend. So I do hope yours was pleasant. I don't know what we're doing this week. No, actually, I do some. So other than our daily devotions, which will take place every day, hopefully in the mornings. Yes, I got sleep this weekend, you guys. Well, last night anyway. I actually fell asleep on the couch about 9 o'clock, and while it wasn't the most comfortable sleep, it was still sleep. I woke up about 6 this morning and went and laid down in the bed for an hour, and then I was up. I was really proud of myself for getting up early this morning and being able to get started early. So today, that's all that I know of for today. It's just our devotion, which is already up, and then Monday morning coffee. And then on Tuesday, if I finish it, because I didn't quite get finished with it, I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you tomorrow. And then I don't have anything until Thursday, where our Back to Basics series. I was asked by a couple of people what to do with book pages when you make altered books. And so I'm going to be sharing some ideas with the book pages and things that you can do that you may not have thought about doing. And so that will be Thursday. And then Thursday night, of course, we'll have Thursday Night Live. And I will be putting up a little survey on my community board for what you would like to see on Thursday night for Thursday Night Live. So please look out for that. Make sure you find that and go ahead and answer that survey. And then Friday, I don't know if I'll have anything on Friday or not. Like I said, if I get some things done, I will have other things. But this weekend mainly was concentrated on doing some more organizing, getting some projects done that I needed to get done, and getting to the post office and just doing a lot of other different things. And so I did start a craft, but hopefully that'll be finished for you tomorrow. And I'm excited about it. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. I just want to say thank you to everybody who has been purchasing the destashes that I have. I have lots more that I could destash, but I really don't want to clog up my channel with all these destashes. So, but I do need to get rid of it. I am going to have maybe one more box this coming out this week. It's going to be my Christmas and fall box. I'm just going to put everything into a box. I just find it's easier to cram things into a box than it is a bag. I think personally they've shrunk the bags for the $8 flat rate bag. They don't look as big as they used to for some reason. So, yeah. But be on the outlook for that. I think I will have a Christmas and fall destash. And so, and then I just have a couple of things left over. Well, not left over. These were never really a destash per se. But, like I said before, I introduced these into one of my destashes, and perhaps I should not have done that. But I have 2 of these kits left from doTERRA Oils, and they were a special that I was running last month. And they are, it's called an introductory kit. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it is the 3 oils, lavender, lemon, and peppermint. And these are brand new boxes. They've not been opened. They have cute little gift boxes inside. This is just the sleeve that they're in. But this is a great little kit for oils, to start oils or whatever. And so I have 2 of these left. And I will still offer them at the same rate that I was before. These are normally $26. And I am offering them for $20 shipped. No, not shipped. $20 plus shipping, which would be about $3.50, $3.99, something like that. So let's just say $24 shipped. Now, normally they're $26 plus tax plus shipping. So you really are saving a good bit of money there, because it would normally be about $32 with everything. So I'm offering it for $24 shipped. So anyway, if you ever want to try oils or something, let me know. I have 2 of these left, like I said, and I will be going to the post office this afternoon. Again, I have another package I need to mail out to somebody, and so if you let me know before then, I can get it in the mail for you today. Okay, what else? I think that's about it, really, guys. Basically, I just want to say again, thank you for all the support that you guys have shown me. This has not been an easy time for me. I've had a lot, going on. Bad enough that I haven't been able to find a job yet, and then I had a flood in the kitchen and just lots of things going on. And I'm dealing with it. And, I'm not going to let it get me down anymore. So I am trying to craft. There's a whole lot of things that I need to finish up doing. Oh man, y'all, I will have to tell you this. One of the things that I worked on, and this is a video for my club members, was this altered notebook. And I decided it would be a great idea to ink all the pages in it. I used up a whole container of peacock feather ink. Oh well, and I can't go out and buy anymore, but it looks really pretty. And so I will ask my club members if I can share this with you when it's completely done. It's not completely done yet, but we've been doing it step by step in the club. That's another thing. If you haven't joined our crafty club and you would like to support me in some way, we have 3 different levels: $5, $10, and $20. With all levels, you get the private video each and every month, and with the $5 level, you get an ATC of the month, and with the $10, you get a video plus a card, and then with the $20 level, you get videos, 2 videos, a card, and an ATC of the month. So if you haven't done that, I'll leave that link below down in the description box. But it's a great way to support me as a crafter, artist, whatever, and you know that no other company is getting part of the money. The reason I don't do Patreon is because they get part of the money, and I just don't, if somebody wants to support me, I want them to support me and not another company. So, and this way we get to know each other more on a personal level as well. I am going to be doing some lives with my club members, and I figured out how to do that. So, yeah, that'll be fun and interesting. We'll be able to spend more time together, just the club members and I. And so, we have a few club members now, and if you would like to come join us, I would love to have you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, then how about go over there to hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you a thing. It's free. And when you hit the subscribe button, wait for the bell. When it pops up, go ahead and tap that bell with the little hugs around it. That way you'll be notified every time, or should be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much. I hope y'all all have a wonderful week, and I will be seeing you in the videos. Bye.